Slider window installation in New Orleans is a popular choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their property's aesthetic and functionality. Our professional window installers in Louisiana specialize in providing top-notch slider window installation services, ensuring a seamless fit and superior performance. With a focus on energy-efficient windows, we offer custom window solutions tailored to meet the unique needs of each client in Slider Windows New Orleans. Energy-efficient windows in Louisiana are essential for reducing energy costs and improving indoor comfort. Our double-pane windows in New Orleans are designed to provide excellent insulation, keeping your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. By choosing our high-performance windows, you can enjoy significant savings on your energy bills while contributing to a more sustainable environment. Custom window solutions in NOLA are perfect for those looking to add a personal touch to their homes. Our window design consultation services in New Orleans help you select the ideal window style options that complement your home's architecture. From vinyl slider windows New Orleans to sliding glass windows, we offer a wide range of durable window materials to suit your preferences and budget. Window replacement services in New Orleans are crucial for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your property. Our Window Replacement New Orleans team is dedicated to providing affordable window options without compromising on quality. Whether you need residential window services or commercial window solutions in Louisiana, we have the expertise to handle projects of any size. Vinyl slider windows New Orleans are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. Our window replacement experts in New Orleans are skilled in handling all types of window frame replacement and window glass replacement, ensuring your windows remain in top condition. With our window maintenance services in New Orleans, you can extend the lifespan of your windows and avoid costly replacements. Double-pane windows in New Orleans offer superior insulation and noise reduction, making them an excellent choice for both residential and commercial properties. Our insulated windows in Louisiana are designed to withstand the region's climate, providing long-lasting performance and comfort. Trust our professional window installers in Louisiana to deliver exceptional results with every installation. Window replacement New Orleans services are essential for addressing issues such as broken glass, damaged frames, and faulty hardware. Our window sealing services in New Orleans ensure that your windows are properly weatherproofed, preventing drafts and moisture intrusion. With our window weatherproofing Louisiana solutions, you can protect your home from the elements and enhance its energy efficiency. Residential windows. New Orleans services cater to homeowners looking to upgrade their windows for improved aesthetics and functionality. Our window-style New Orleans options include a variety of designs and finishes to suit any home. From window hardware installation to window screen replacement, we offer comprehensive services to meet all your window needs. Commercial windows. Louisiana solutions are designed to enhance the appearance and performance of business properties. Our window measurement services in Louisiana ensure a perfect fit for every installation, while our Window Design New Orleans team works closely with clients to create custom solutions that align with their brand image. With our durable Windows Louisiana offerings, you can enjoy long-lasting performance and minimal maintenance.